Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today we are going to install 3 nodes base MariaDB Galera Cluster, and I have noted down all the instructions to complete this scenario. Some requirements we need 3 servers, VMs, and 2 CPUs, 2 GB RAM or 20 GB disk minimum to every machine. OS you can use Ubuntu 2.04, LTS, Debian 11 and CentOS 8. I am going to use Ubuntu 2.04 and the hardware resources I have assigned already to all my machines. And what is the setup we are going to do? We are going to use 3 nodes. These are the nodes name for my setup, and these 3 are the IPs. So let's move towards the installation. I have accessed all the machine using the CLI terminal, and this is the DB node 1, then DB node 2 and then DB node 3. First of all, we are going to run this update command on every node. We are going to proceed one by one. And I am going to run the same command on the second and third node. After the completion of this update command, we are going to install MariaDB server with Galera 4. As you can see, update command has done its work on all nodes. Now we are going to proceed with the database installation. Earlier the apt has been held by another package. Some of the update which were not completed, so I have stopped that to complete this installation on both nodes. The installation is going on the third node. Package is downloaded. Now it is unpacking and installing all the required package for our setup. As the installation setup gets completed, we are going to verify the MariaDB database version. On the second node it's also completed, and on the third node it is about to get complete. So let's check what is the version of our database. 10.6.23 MariaDB. It will be same on all the nodes. After that we have to create this configuration file on all the nodes and add this configuration which is built in to proceed with. We are going to use the editor nano. Press enter. We are going to remove all these by default values and copy and paste this built-in or defined piece of code. You have to replace only 2 lines here. In the WSRAP cluster address, you have to add all of your nodes IP addresses. This is the first one, this is the second, and this is the third one, and here you have to add the IP address of the node on which you are working. Then save this configuration file. You have to do the same on all the other nodes, but before that you have to save the MariaDB service on all the nodes. Okay, now we are going to bootstrap only the first node. Okay, and then you have to start the MariaDB service. You can verify the status. Okay, it has been started successfully. For the time being, you can verify your cluster size. It will be 1 because we haven't done any configuration on the other nodes. If you have done the secure installation, you can proceed with this command and then you will enter your root username password. I haven't installed secure database, so I am going to run this command without the username password. And now we are going to do the configuration on the remaining nodes. Same, we have to create this configuration file, remove the default one, and copy this configuration file and replace the IP address of the current node and save this configuration file. Now we are going to start the MariaDB service. If all goes well, it will be started and the status will be active and running. Okay, it is active and running. Now we can verify on the primary node, on the first node, what will be the status of our cluster. Now it is turned into 2, and on the last node we have to do the same. Sorry, my bad. We have to create that configuration file and then we will copy and paste the configuration. And sorry, I forget to replace the names here. You can do this. That in total we have to change 3 parameters in total. Okay, and now we are going to start the MariaDB service. It has been started and all goes synchronized. And now we are going to check again the cluster. You can see the cluster has been created successfully using all three nodes. Now we can test this cluster by creating some test database, and let me show you. You can see the databases here, and same on all three nodes. Let's create the database on the first node, or you can say on the primary node. Create database Galera, and now we are going to run the command again. It will show you the Galera database, and it has been replicated on the other two nodes. And now we can test with the second node. Draw up database Galera, and it will be reflected on the other nodes as well. Hope you guys understood all the procedure and the setup instruction very well. I will add all these notepad instructions under my video description. Hope you guys understood all the scenario very well. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.